Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making easy vegetable rice medley. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, heat the oil in a saucepan, and to that we're gonna add cabbage, we're gonna also add carrots along with green peppers and onions. Give it a good stir and cook for 5 minutes or until tender. Toss in the rice and let it toast slightly. I'm using white enriched rice. It's pre-washed, guys, so you don't need to wash it. Next, we're gonna add sazon called azafran. In case you are wondering what is sazon, sazon is made up of ground seasonings such as cumin, coriander, annatto, and oregano. It's not spicy, it's actually appealing and palatable in flavor. Give it a good stir. Next, we're gonna pour in some chicken broth. Add a pinch of salt. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. Add frozen peas, mix thoroughly, then cover and let it cook for the last 5 minutes. There you have it, guys. Easy vegetable rice medley. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.